Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. Women who changed the world. Women who studied the natural world. So far this month, we've learned about courageous leaders and groundbreaking women in science and medicine. Today, we are stepping outside into forests, mountains, and oceans to meet three women who carefully studied the natural world. These women remind us that learning often begins with something very simple: paying attention. They observed, they recorded, they asked thoughtful questions, and because of their work, we understand animals and the environment much better today. Let's begin in the forests of Africa with a young woman whose quiet patience changed the way scientists view animals. Jane Goodall. Jane Goodall was born in England in 1934, but as a child she dreamed of studying animals in Africa. At a time when very few women worked in field science, Jane followed that dream. In 1960, she traveled to Tanzania and began observing chimpanzees in the wild. Instead of watching from a distance or for only short periods, Jane spent long hours quietly observing their behavior. What she discovered surprised the scientific world. Before Jane Goodall's research, many scientists believed that only humans used tools. But Jane observed chimpanzees carefully selecting and modifying sticks to pull termites from mounds. Clear evidence of tool use. This discovery changed how scientists understood the relationship between humans and animals. Jane also gave the chimpanzees names instead of numbers, emphasizing that animals have unique personalities and social relationships. Her work teaches everyone important lessons. Careful observation leads to discovery. Patience is an important scientific skill. Respect for animals and creation matters. Jane Goodall's lifelong work continues to inspire conservation efforts around the world. Not long after Jane Goodall began her work, another determined scientist traveled deeper into the mountains of Africa to study one of the world's most powerful and endangered animals. Dian Fossey. Dian Fossey was born in the United States in 1932. Inspired by the growing interest in primate research, she traveled to Rwanda to study mountain gorillas. At the time, very little was known about gorillas in the wild. Many people believed they were aggressive and dangerous. But through patient, close observation, Dian Fossey discovered something very different. She documented the complex social structures of gorilla families and showed that they were often gentle, protective, and deeply social animals. Dian Fossey also became a strong advocate for gorilla conservation. She worked tirelessly to protect them from poaching and habitat loss. Her work helped change public perception and brought global attention to the importance of protecting endangered species. From her study, we can all learn that field research requires perseverance, science can support conservation, and understanding animals helps protect them. Her legacy continues today through ongoing gorilla conservation efforts. While these scientists were studying animals on land, another remarkable woman was carefully observing the oceans and sounding an early warning about environmental protection. Rachel Carson. Rachel Carson was born in Pennsylvania in 1907 and developed a deep love for nature at a young age. She became a marine biologist and writer, combining careful scientific research with clear, beautiful writing that helped everyday people understand the natural world. In 1962, Rachel Carson published a groundbreaking book called Silent Spring. In it, she warned about the harmful effects of certain pesticides on birds, animals, and the environment. Her work helped spark the modern environmental movement and eventually led to important changes in environmental policy and awareness. Rachel Carson showed that science is not only about discovery, it is also about stewardship. Her life teaches us that words can help communicate scientific truth, that caring for the environment is a shared responsibility, and that careful research can lead to important change. Because of her work, many people began paying closer attention to how human actions affect the natural world. As we reflect on Jane Goodall, Dian Fossey, and Rachel Carson, we see a common thread. Each woman took time to observe carefully. Each woman asked important questions. And each woman used what she learned to help others better understand and protect the natural world. For learners all across the world, their stories are a beautiful reminder that science often begins with curiosity and careful attention. Whether studying animals in the forest, observing gorillas in the mountains, or researching the health of our oceans, these women show us that thoughtful learning can lead to meaningful change. As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezaHomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.